you're having a wonderful day. I'm excited. Sorry about the time change, but we able to make it work out. And I'm so excited to have Creative Partner Lindsay Smith with us. Lindsay, say hi.
Hi.
I love your face gear that you have going on, of course.
I know, maybe I'll be like,
that's something
hello.
we're used to right now. She is actually going to be sharing with us some organizing tips, which I look forward to. I don't think you can ever have too many tips when it comes to organizing. It's kind of the ongoing thing. It's like laundry. It just like keeps showing its face every once in a while. You just have to kind of take another stab at it until you find a system that works for you. But anyway, so I'm really excited about it. I'm going to turn the time over to Lindsay and let her introduce herself and share with us what she has to share with us. Go ahead, Lindsay.
Okay. Hi, everybody. So I have been really into organizing, mostly because I do it for work, but also just getting my space at home organized. So of course that means my craft supplies. And so I was thinking that maybe I would share a couple of the products that I have found that are outside of the like scrapbook stores. You know, I found these in like, these are from the Container Store, but also like office supply stores, and kind of just expanding a little bit where you look for ways to organize. And so I wanted to share my favorite 5 products. Some of them you might be familiar with, but I think there'll be a few surprises in here. And I'm not able to see your comments, unfortunately, but I'll be sure to go back and answer any questions. And when this gets posted, I have some pictures and things that I'll share as well. But you can find most of these products either at the Container Store or an office supply store, or even at like on Amazon. So this is a really cool little spinner. First of all, I love anything that spins because it just makes it easy to use. And the company that makes this is Deflecto. So what I like about it is that each of these pie pieces are different sizes and they are stackable. So you can put maybe like some sponge daubers in here, something taller in here. And I have this on my desk at home, and I put all of my variety of craft supplies. You can kind of see an example here, how they have some washi tape and different things in there. And it works really great. And you have the lid on here. So sometimes I'll grab a couple things and take them with me. That way I can have just that one little piece of the pie that I need for organizing. So this is a really cool tool. So check it out. You can look by that brand online, and you can see here in the picture how it all comes apart into these little pie pieces. I've never seen this at Michael's, so that's why I thought it was really cool to share with you guys, or Joann's or something like that. So the next thing I wanted to show you guys is this is just a normal file box. This one's really pretty because it's clear. But any file box you can get these hanging files. And this is how I actually organize my color cardstock. So when you put it into the bin, it has kind of like a lip above, because this is not 12 by 12. This is only about 9 inches wide. And so I can see my rainbow of cardstock really easily, and it hangs so nicely in this file. You want to make sure when you store it, you don't store anything on top, because obviously that would bend the paper. But otherwise, it works great for looking at the color cardstock and keeping everything in that rainbow order. I just have one hanging file for each color of the rainbow. And then I can also, sometimes I'll put like bigger scraps in there as well. And I love storing my cardstock, color cardstock, in these file folder boxes. So they have all different kinds. You just need one that is open on the top without a lid, so you can have that paper. And I will include a picture of what mine looks like with all my color cardstock in it, but you can see how you can just hang those file folders and fill that with the paper. And because of the measurements, it does fit the 12 by 12 cardstock in there. And then I'm sure you guys might be familiar with these guys. This is the 3-tier rolling cart. Ta-da! So they sell them here at the Container Store, but they also have them at Michael's, and they also have them at IKEA. IKEA is where I got mine from. And so you actually put them together, and I love it because a lot of times I scrapbook in either my dining room or my living room floor, because I want to hang out with my family. And so I really like it because I get to put on the top tier of the shelf, it fits all of my boxes, my Totally Tiffany storage solution for my templates. So I put those on the top. Then I'll have some project kits I'm working on down here, and I just wheel it out and work on a couple projects. And it works really great for that portable storage, which is really fun. And then these are by the Home Edit. Has anyone seen on Netflix the Home Edit? They're the ones that like color coordinate everything rainbow style. So they actually designed these bins. And the reason I like them is because they're stackable and they make a drawer. But the drawer, oh, I'm backwards, sorry. The drawers that go inside actually come out. They're not coming out. Maybe it's because, oh, this has tape on it. Sorry guys, hold on. I want to show you this. It's pretty cool. So the drawers come out. I use these for a lot of different things, but I really like them for my craft closet because the drawers come out. And so it has this little divider in it. So removable. So you can really customize them for whatever you need. And then they slide back in and they stack. So it's like a little kind of drawer system, but you could just take out the one tote that you're using and go and work on your project and then slide it back in. So it's a really cool little modular type of storage. So I think you should check these out. They have a lot. They have another bin where it has like different cups that fit into it just perfectly. So you can put like your pens and markers and different things in it. So I really like their products. They're designed by the Home Edit. Okay, so this last item I'm going to show you guys is literally ever. You're going to think it's pretty simple, but this is my favorite Container Store product. I know. Why? Who cares? So I had the Totally Tiffany paper bins. You guys might know the ones. And they kind of look like almost like a magazine holder, but they're made of like a cardboard, and they were always ripping. And because they're made of cardboard, so like the fronts would rip out because the paper is so heavy, and it was a disaster. So one day I was using this. I actually use these a lot for other storage, and I had some extra scrapbook paper, and I was like, oh, I'm going to take it in the house. So I threw it in here, and to my amazement, it actually fit. Because if you have ever tried to find a good solution for scrapbook paper, it's really hard because of the dimensions. Most like magazine file folder type bins that stand up like this are too short. They don't fit the full paper. Not only do these fit paper, but I can actually put my Kiwi Club kits like in the box still in here because they're long enough and they fit awesome. They're super heavy duty. They have the handles so you can lift them out. Never do they tear. So I've now replaced all of my Totally Tiffany little, they kind of look like a magazine holder, but they're wide for the paper. I've replaced them all with these, and it is life changer. If I could recommend one product, it would be this one because it just fits your paper so great, and they're super easy to lift out and around. So this is the one I use mostly for like my open stock of color coordinated. And this one is the one that I use for my paper kits. So I'll have like one for spring and summer. I'm obsessed. They also come in different sizes. So widths, so you can get them even thinner. The medium is my go-to, but they get even, there's a large and extra large. So you can use them for everything, and they all match. They're amazing. I can't talk about them enough because I love them that much. So, and they're super cheap. I think that this is like $4. So they were really awesome and inexpensive for me to replace everything in my little house. So I hope that maybe some of these tips were helpful. I know maybe it would be better if I was showing you the actual products in the thing, but guys, I just moved. I don't know if you guys know this. Did I even introduce myself? Hello, everyone. I'm Lindsay Smith. I'm a creative partner with Kiwi Lane since the beginning. And I just lived in Northern California for the last 4 years. And then I just moved to Idaho, to Boise. And that's where my family's at. So we were super excited about the move, but it was super crazy. because the market is crazy. If anyone's buying a house right now, you know the market is pretty tough. So it took us about 4 months because we moved in November. So it took us a while to find a house. We just moved in. And I was hoping when I scheduled this night that I would have my craft room done, but I definitely don't. So everything's still in boxes. So I can't show you exactly how I use all these products, but I was like, I still need to share some awesome organizing tips. So I was like, I'm just going to head over to the Container Store and show them at the Container Store. So thanks for tuning in. I hope that some of this is helpful. If you guys have any specific organizing questions, like you're like, oh, I can't figure out how to store, maybe not templates, because I think there's a lot of tips out there, but maybe like your scissors or your inks or different things, let me know in the comments and I'll jump on and share like products that I love, because I'm familiar with a lot of different containers and maybe I can give you guys some helpful tips. And once my stuff is unpacked, I'll take you on a tour of my craft room, because I really do think it's pretty like organized and pretty effective. But for tonight, I hope that some of these tips were helpful to you guys, and maybe you can get some new products that will just kind of make your crafting experience a little bit more fun and easy. And hopefully next time then we can make a scrapbook page together. I haven't scrapbooked. Well, I scrapbooked one thing. I showed it last time I was on here. I did like 3 layouts for a class I'm going to be teaching, which is super exciting. But other than that, I haven't really had a chance to play. So one of my favorite things during this last year was when I would come on and just scrapbook with you guys, and you had to give me all the tips and tricks and tell me what color paper to use and stuff like that. So I can't wait till I have a room and we can get on and do that together. That'd be super fun. Anyway, all right, well, I'll let you guys get back to your evening. Thanks for being flexible. I was hoping to jump on earlier today, but it didn't work out. So I'm glad that I could get on here this evening and share my favorite 5 products. If you guys are doing something creative tonight, I hope you have fun. And if not, I hope you get to do something creative soon. All right, thanks again. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.